Yo, we're back. Had some sort of technical difficulty. Had to cut the blur out. Anyways, we're still climbing up the yellow trail here. Like the turtle, slow and steady wins the race. We're in no rush. It's a beautiful day. We've been waiting for this. Get outside, it's above freezing. More deer prints. Go. Staying on that yellow trail. Trail's not too bad. It could be icier. I'm out here at my bean boots. And we're doing just fine. Let's take a look around. Lots of bare trees. They haven't even started to sprout buds yet. But it won't be long. For a week of this weather. Oh yeah, maple sap will start running already. Get that sweet maple syrup. Yum, yum. Who doesn't like real maple syrup? Not that garbage they sell at the grocery store. Just corn syrup. Maple flavored corn syrup. We're still on the trail. And it's leveling out. That's good. Dan the man's a little bit out of shape. He was laid up most of last summer. That's why there wasn't too many videos. This winter, decided to take it off and see how the YouTube channel was going to do on its own. I'm getting 300 hits a week all by itself, picking up a subscriber here or there. Last time I checked, we had 408 subscribers. Thanks each and every one of you. You're helping us manifest the dream. Seem to be on a downward pitch. Uh-oh. Breaking through the crust here. Still on the same trail, the yellow trail. Yep, thinking getting a motorhome. Maybe a couple electric bikes so we can get around. Boy, it's very pretty down through here. See if I can give you a look at what I'm seeing. You have a bluff over here with a bunch of pretty nice, good-sized pine trees. That's very nice. We're still on the trail. There's the yellow marker. Let's go. Haven't seen too many birds. Heard a few. There's another trail marker. Oh, look, somebody made a snowman. Check it out. Looks like there's a little pond over here. I think they call them like vernal ponds or something. You know, where habitat exists, like salamanders and that sort of thing. Yeah, somebody made a snowman. Check it out. Right there. There's Mr. Snowman. All right, let's continue on, shall we? Still on that yellow trail. And the snow's deep, we're sinking. More deer tracks. Right there. They're everywhere. No shortage of deer in Maine, that's for sure. There's some people. How y'all doing? Hey, my name is Dan. I have a YouTube channel called Daniel, aka Dan the Man. Yep. And you guys might be on it today if you want to be on it, you know, and just say hi to YouTube.
Hey guys, say hi, Ari.
Hi, how are you?
Cool.
Have a great day, guys.
You as well.
Thank you. Still on the trail. We got some folks in front of us. This is not going to take me where I want to go. Oh, no. See. Check this out. All right. Trail map for Thorncrag Sanctuary, Lewiston. Okay, we're going back. All right, everybody. Made a executive decision here. We're gonna go back the way we came due to time restraints, and honestly, not knowing where this trail is gonna dump me out, which is my fault. I should have got a trail map, but I thought the yellow trail was a big loop, but now it's gone to a double yellow marker. And I'm like, that's not what I want. So we're going back. Make sure we don't slip and crash with the gimbal here. It'll be bad. Oh, look. A little. See him? Little red squirrel. Hi, buddy. Hi. He come out of that hole right over here behind this little tree under the snow. You can see where he's been chewing stuff. Looks like pine cones and stuff. Yeah. That was cool. So we'll go back the way we came. We don't know where the red trail goes, but it doesn't seem like anybody's really walking. Or not much. We'll follow the yellow trail. Alright. Here we go. Yeah. Aha. I think we go this way. Ooh, get off the trail and you'll sink pretty deep. Over a foot. Oh, we're on the right path. There's Mr. Snowman. Yeah, back. Alright. This won't be too bad. This is just on the outskirts of Lewiston. It's just a nice little spot where somebody donated a bunch of land. They made a bird sanctuary out of it. It's really a nice place to come take the family and hike around, get some exercise. It's a little bit more work in the winter. You can hear the sirens, something's going on. It is the Dirty Lou. That's what we call it. Always been a rough, tough city. This isn't bad. It's pretty level. Even seems to have a downward pitch. I'm down with that. It's warming up. The trail's getting soft. It's starting to sink.